The rides are back in motion at Hong Kong Disneyland as it gets ready for its grand reopening on Thursday, with face masks, temperature checks, and other health and safety restrictions in place. After being closed for nearly 5 months, a health declaration will be required to reserve tickets. Parkgoers can still interact with Disney favorites Mickey and Minnie Mouse, but photo ops will remain off limits for now. Senior VP of Operations Tim Sipko says with Hong Kong's borders still closed, the park is focusing on attracting local residents.
Well, with reducing the capacity of the park overall, our focus coming out of the gate is going to be the local Hong Kong market.
The majority of the park's shopping and dining locations will restart operations with controlled capacity, and hotel services will also resume gradually. Shanghai had the first Disneyland reopen last month, showing the world what a socially distanced theme park would look like. And Hong Kong's other major theme park, Ocean Park, reopened on Saturday to thousands of visitors. Lawmakers approved a massive bailout plan last month to keep it running for another year.